Can lumbar artificial disc replacement actually help spinal stenosis? In this video, we'll be talking about what lumbar disc replacement is, how it's done, why lumbar artificial disc replacement was created, and can lumbar disc replacement help spinal stenosis? Welcome to the channel. Here we share what it's like living with spinal stenosis beyond the diagnosis, focusing on everyday life challenges and ways to thrive whether you have spinal stenosis or not. Welcome back, everyone. If you're dealing with spinal stenosis, you've been researching spinal surgery options, then this video is for you. Today, we're talking about lumbar artificial disc replacement for spinal stenosis. Can artificial disc surgery help back pain? Lumbar artificial disc replacement is a spine surgery where a damaged lumbar disc is removed and replaced with a mechanical artificial disc designed to preserve movement in the spine. Unlike spinal fusion surgery, which permanently joins the bones together, lumbar disc replacement is intended to maintain flexibility and motion in the lower back. Artificial disc replacement was developed because doctors noticed that spinal fusion surgery could sometimes place an additional stress on the spinal levels above and below the fusion. So researchers created lumbar artificial discs to try to maintain natural movement in the spine while treating degenerative disc disease. Lumbar spine is made up of 5 bones. Each one is called a vertebrae. Between each vertebrae is a soft cushion of tissue called an intervertebral disc. Small growths called bone spurs may form on the vertebrae above and below it. Bone spurs may also pinch your spinal nerves. Incision will be made in your abdomen. Next, the surgeon will scrape tissue out of the vertebrae above and below to expose the bone. Then the man-made disc will be inserted and attached to the bone. Your skin incision will be closed with suture. Now, this is the big question. Can lumbar artificial disc replacement help spinal stenosis? The answer depends on what is causing spinal stenosis. Spinal stenosis happens when the space around the nerves are narrowed and putting pressure on the nerves. The narrowing of that space can be caused by many different things. It can be caused by disc disease, disc height collapse, bone spurs, arthritis, thickened ligaments, facet joint degeneration, spondylolisthesis, herniated disc. So in some cases, restoring disc height with lumbar artificial disc replacement may help create more space around the nerves. Here's the important part. Most surgeons still use strict criteria when deciding when someone with spinal stenosis qualifies for lumbar artificial disc replacement. Lumbar artificial disc replacement is one of the most interesting advancements in spine surgery because the goal is to preserve movement instead of eliminating. Have you ever researched lumbar artificial disc replacement for spinal stenosis, or has your doctor ever told you that you were or you were not a candidate for artificial disc surgery? These are the type of conversations you should be having with your doctor because your health means everything.